Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this word of French origin in French but also in English. There are different ways of saying it even in English. So let's start with the French because it comes from French. For reference, it is said as kəઃraf, kəઃraf. In British English, this is normally said as kəઃraf, kəઃraf, with an emphasis on the second syllable. In American English, it is pronounced as kəઃraf, kəઃraf in American English versus kəઃraf in British English, all of which from French, kəઃraf. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words in English, including from French. I'll see you there to learn more. Merci. Au revoir.